Part on the front gable is door sliding guide. So as you know, you got these longer pieces, so you got to lose them a little bit and basically slide this piece into this truck all the way through this truck through these pieces. You got to lose them right here and slide them on. So lose them a little bit, don't lose like this, and keep sliding. I think this is the first one right here, and just sliding. Hold on. So we ends up to take the bolts out and slide them all the way into this truck. Become a lot faster this way. You just have to align it. Where? No, more. So we just have to align it where they are, like this. Move that one right there. Yep. There you go. Just align them with the middle, and sort them back in and screw them in from behind. That's a lot faster. There you go.